Hey guys, I just thought I'd show you this motorcycle headlight protector screen that I got here. This is a Tenere 700 2021, and I just picked this up on Amazon really inexpensively. Now don't let them bait and switch you, because it looks like they changed the price. I'll put a link to the item down below, and I do appreciate any likes and subscribes. But here's what happened. Here's the one that came on it. I bought the bike lightly used a couple of years ago. Had like 1,800 miles. This fell over in the trailer and snapped this thing off a couple weeks ago. So I didn't want to spend any money. I really didn't care about the thing that much. It just came on the bike. But then I said, oh, maybe I'll replace it if I can get one cheap. And I found one for like $13 and change on Amazon. Like I said, the link will be down below. Now, just so you know, I thought it was going to be a nightmare, but it was a 2-second job. Now, these were the studs that were in there. The other one was hooked on with like rubber grommet-like things. And these little screws, thank God, backed out, and the nuts are mounted to the backside so they don't fall off, and you do not have to take the whole bike apart. So this is a 3-minute install, which is great. I was literally almost took the bike apart not knowing those nuts were mounted in place, permanently mounted. That would have been a nightmare. I would have got in there and found out. Anyway, I hope I saved you guys a lot of trouble, but I cleaned my headlight up because I did kill a few bugs since I'm missing the screen, and it looks really good, much better than the other one. The other one had that silly metal framework in the middle and a crack in the middle, and so this is way better, and it looks good, I think, and it does help protect, because when it fell over, it still got damaged a little bit. If you can see that nick there and a nick down here, banging up against my friend's bike. But anyway, hope that helps you guys. Appreciate any likes and subscribes again. Link will be down below, and see if you can get a better price, because I think they're advertising it for as much as $24 right now. But just so you know, if you find one like this, it's probably the same thing. Just search the pricing, and again, it's a super easy install. Take care. Appreciate it.